Hey guys, so how are you doing, guys? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new method to actually view people's OnlyFans for free. So here we have an account. I'm going to subscribe, and as you can see, it says please add a payment. So I'm going to press dev mode access, and now I'm going to get it for free. So let's see if it works, and bang guys, as you can see all the posts. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this for your device. So it's really easy, guys. I'm pretty sure the website is matrixmods.com. This is a website that has a number of modded apps. So just come to the website and type in OnlyFans. Press on it, press download, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it's going to say like missing files or whatever, and you just have to download 2 of the apps. So you can see we got like Mo Casino, TikTok, Travel Town. So this one's like reach level 10. So I just press continue, takes me to the app store. I just got to play it until I'm level 10. Now obviously they're not all going to be like this, but the game ones are usually very simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, that's how to view anyone's OnlyFans for free in 2026. So as you can see, guys, we can literally see it all. And there's tons of apps on here as well. So we've got like Mo Casino. TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of them. It doesn't really matter which one you do. And then you should be able to see who ever you want. So as you can see, guys, we can see all these posts, and we can do this with anyone, guys. So it's super amazing. The only thing I'll say is make sure you go to settings and you have the background app refresh turned on, and also make sure you got the low power mode turned off. But other than that, guys, you should be good to go. There shouldn't be anything stopping you. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But that's how to see all the OnlyFans accounts for free. And if we go and type in like OnlyFans, maybe we can get to some profiles. So let me just go. Okay, so it wants me to have an account. So yeah, I don't know, bro. Maybe we can just type in like model, and let's see if we can see anyone. I don't want to start it. So let's see. Here we go. Top 100 people. All right, here's a profile. It doesn't say. Oh yeah, $3 for 31 days, $72 total, 12 months, 180. So if you guys want to pay, guys, that's crazy. But yeah, this is super dumb, guys. So you can literally see all the posts for free, everything like that, all free. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, that's how to do it, 2026. So if you guys are tired of paying, then be sure to try us out, because as you can see, I did it with this person right here, and it actually works. They have 149 videos, which are now for me, and they have 1.5K photos, which I can see as well. So yes, super insane. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but that's how to get access to anyone's account, even if they're private or whatever. But yeah, it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see all the accounts. But yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this actually works. So yeah, I mean, I really like OnlyFans, but you know, I kind of am against the concept of paying. So this is a much better method. So can view everything for free. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to join me in this. But yeah, it's so crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because I'm going to make more videos in the future about like how to view specific people's profiles and stuff like that. So get the word out. This is so crazy, and it totally works. So yeah, peace out, my gang. This is wild stuff.